Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the third Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Monday, November the 2nd, 2020. We have two Sudokus left, a binary and a tectonic, but this one, a binary, will be number 1833. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Let's get started. I see here 4 1s, so the rest are O's. We have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. We have here 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Then double 1 here and O there and O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then between two 1s comes an O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s here. Double 1 here and O, then O. Between two O's comes an 1. We have now 4 1s in the second row, so the rest are O's. Double 1 here and O, then O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. We have here double 1 here and O, then O. We have here double O here and 1, then 1. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Then I cannot continue. I need to compare. Double O. How about 101? I need to compare with the rows, I believe. Yes. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. Strange. 3 1s. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row. Not allowed. One of the rules. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then 011. Do we have 011? No. Yeah. Then double 1, double O, double 1. Yeah. This column and the first column, let me compare. 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 empty box 0 0 empty box. So we need to switch those two numbers. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Yes, and now one box left in this row for the number O. We have 4 1s. Yes, double O here and 1 there, 1. Double 1 here and O there and O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between two 1s comes an O. Finish in 4 minutes. Yes, I like this Sudoku. I like this binary. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a second of 2 with the last Sudoku. It will be a tectonic with 3 stars. See you later. Bye bye for now.